guys, this is the Lvl-x gamer back with a new video, and today I am making a tutorial of how to download Jumbo Sparking Zero Mobile on PSP emulator, a video that one of my subscribers recommended or requested. So without further ado, let's jump right straight into the video. So first thing you have to do is to go open YouTube. Here in YouTube, eh, you know where to go to.
I'll tell you what I want, but
Search here, search address Lvl-x 501. That's my YouTube channel. You search that and you will find my YouTube channel there. Tap on it, then if you are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Go to videos here and view. You see this video that I posted 3 days ago. Tap on it. This is where you'll get the download link. Please don't mind the ads. I don't have YouTube Premium, so I cannot get rid of these ads. Next thing that you do, tap on more. Tap here, more again. You can see here I provided the so here press on this video link that I provided. Make sure to subscribe to this guy's channel as he is the creator of the game for the mobile version. Now tap on the comment section. Tap on that pinned comment. Tap read more. You see a link. Tap on the link. It will redirect you to your browser, whether you're using Chrome or Microsoft or Bing, whatever it is. It will redirect you to his website, and you can see here this is his website. It shows the game and it's on beta release version 1.2. So what I need you to do is to scroll down until you find this right here that says link bug fixes. Click here and you'll be redirected to another site where we have to go through some few obstacles. Wait for it to verify. In the meanwhile, avoid these ads. I prefer installing the Brave browser from Google Play to avoid 70% of these ads. Let's go ahead and refresh since it didn't wanna verify. Okay, let's wait for it to verify. Tap here to verify, go back to avoid the ad. Okay, now tap on continue. Now we've been redirected to a new site. click on the continue button, go back to avoid the ad, wait for this timer to go down to 0. Okay, something wrong here. Okay, I have some technical difficulties here. Let's go back up, press continue, back again, wait for that 14 seconds timer. I don't know what was happening on this website, but it's definitely not right. But as we wait, press continue to redirect you down here, which is what it's supposed to do. Click on get link, go back to avoid the ad, wait for it to load, then again press continue, go back again to avoid the ad, wait 14 seconds. Okay, after you are done, click on continue, then click on get link, go back to avoid the ad, wait for it to load. Now here you gotta wait for the 10-second timer to start. It might take a while for it to start, but be patient and wait. Okay, as you can see, it is counting down. Okay, once it's done, scroll. You see this button here that says get link. Click on it, go back to avoid the ad, and it redirects you to the media file link. So here is where I would download it, but since I already have the downloaded file, I just wanted to show you guys how to get through the website so you can download it, because if I left you with the link only, you would have struggled. Now that you see how to go about through downloading this game file, we are done in this browser. So go out of the app at home screen and eliminate YouTube and Chrome. Then for the next step, I will need you to go to Play Store and go to the search category, search bar. Click on the search bar and search Zarchiver. Click on Zarchiver. There is it here, the app with the green color. Install it. So let's patiently wait as it installs. Okay, the app is done installing. Go back here Click on the search bar again, delete everything there, and this time search ppsspp, which is the emulator we are going to be using to run the game. Click on that and click on install, and wait patiently for the app to install into our home screen. I don't know if this tutorial works for both Android and iPhone users, but I think it should work for iPhone users. If it doesn't work, then for you iPhone users, please get help somewhere, because I am using Android. I'm using the Samsung A06 and I'm not using any iPhone. So get help somewhere else. But if it works for you people, then you're welcome to stay in the video and continue watching the tutorial. Okay, now the app is done installing. Now what I need to do is to go back to the home screen and eliminate Play Store from your memory. Now go to where you installed the two apps. Let me quickly move my app to the home screen. Okay, now my app is both of my apps on the home screen. Now what I need you to do is to click on this app right here, enter it. Now here it will ask you for the permission to read and modify, delete to delete files, to access your phone's files, basically accessing your storage. So click OK, click allow permission and go back. Allow the notifications and here click OK. Now here you go to download, where you have downloaded the zip file for the game file. Now click once, then press on this right here, extract. Then wherever this appears, the plus sign, click on create, click on new folder and click OK. Now click on this icon here to start extracting the files into the folder and wait until it's done. Okay, now it's done. Now what I need you to do, go back to the home screen before we continue with the Achiever. Open the PSP game app emulator and wait for it to launch. Once it has launched, it will ask you to create a path folder for PSP. You just click OK. Now here is where it gets tricky. For most people who are familiar with the PSP emulator, you will just go and click on a created folder that was already created in your device named PSP. But for some people who are new to this emulator, all you have to do is to create new folder, name it ppspp, click OK to create the folder. Once it's been made, click on use folder and click on allow. And you click OK. So now the pathway for the PSP folder has been created. Click on exit to exit here. Go back right here. Go back to download. Go back to your created folder that we extracted. Now what we need to do here is to go to game, hold on the game file, click cut, click here, go back to device storage and go to the folder that you created. Now click on game, then import the file. Now the file has been imported. Go back, click here, click on download, go back to the folder that you created or extracted. Now click on save data, hold that file, cut the file, go back to device storage, go back to your created PSP folder, and then go to your textures, install, import. Now it's done importing. Go back to downloads, go back to the folder. Now here you ignore the system files because we don't really need that. But if you have a low-end device, then click on this setting or this zip file right here. Click on extract here, say apply and replace. Now go back to system, go to the system folder, hold this, cut, go to device storage, go to PSP folder, click on system and import that file right there. Now it's done importing. Go back to downloads, go back to the same folder, okay, I might have made a mistake here. Guys, I was wrong. So go sorry for the mistake. Go back to PSP, go back to its textures. That very file that I told you to move to textures. Cut it again. Move it to save data. My bad. Move it to save data. Okay. Never gonna make a mistake like that. I hope y'all forgive me. Now go back to download again. Go back to the same folder. This time click on textures. And then click on this. Hold it. Do the very same thing, cut. Then go back to device storage. Go to PSP. Then click on textures. Yeah, this is where the file is supposed to go, the textures section. Import the file. And then we are done. Now all you go back to device storage, go back to the home screen, eliminate, it will eliminate everything so far, everything that you have. to save up enough memory for the emulator to run the game. Now click on the PSP emulator. Go click on the home icon here. Go to game. And you'll see the game here. All I just need to do is to hold on the game before we start playing the game. Go to settings, the game settings. Now here, this is for the performance. For the back end, you need to choose Vulkan or OpenGL. For most users, low-end users would have only OpenGL, so there's nothing for you to change. But for other low-end users, it gives you the option to run Vulkan or OpenGL. My recommended driver is Vulkan. Then render resolution here. You click on here. For most users, I prefer ×2 PSP. For those users who have low-end phones that don't run that stable, I prefer clicking on ×1 PSP. Okay, then you scroll. Nothing you need to change, nothing much that you need to change here. Just make sure all these settings are the same. The only thing I might need you to enable is this counter FPS for you to be able to count your frame rates per second. That tells you how fast the game is running, and also enable show speed to show the percentage of speed the game is running at. Now click on system, then scroll down until you find fast memory unstable. I will need you to disable this, as for most users, if you keep this on, your game will crash, because this is not an official game, this is a mod. So this will need to be off, but especially when running mods on this emulator. That's the only thing you need to disable from systems. And for additional settings, go to controls, then go to control layout. This is where you customize your layout, like move wherever you want, resize, how big do you want the buttons to be, how small you want them to be. And here, when you customize, this is where you enable custom key buttons and put inputs on. Like if you enable custom key buttons, you choose which ones you want which buttons you want that button to trigger, like a combo key. For example, if you wanna mix triangle with square to make a combo key output, but for me, I do not need that, so we go back to disable. Once you have done all of this, you can start playing the game.